to share with you a neat little trick inside of OneNote. This is part of the beta channel, so not everyone will have this, but this is coming soon. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch to the orange pen. We're going to do a couple different shapes here. Now, automatic shapes is not turned on, but this is a new feature. So you get an idea of the type of shapes that you can do. If you do the shape in a single stroke and then hold on, you can drag left or right and adjust it. If you switch to the selection tool, you can select it, resize it, move it around, and it really does a nice job of letting you do this everywhere. Now there's a few settings that I like having turned on. I'm going to show you where those are, and that'll be it for this video. Nice, short, and sweet. So go to Options, Advanced. We have the options here, automatically switch between inking, selecting, typing, and panning. I have that turned off. We have the enable scratch out gesture while inking. I'll show you that right after this. So those two are important because otherwise you switch, as soon as you try and use the pen to select something, you switch back to drawing. All right, so the scratch out gesture, let's say we have the orange one selected again. We're just gonna scratch over this, over that, and we have it done. Now, one additional little tip, if you're working with these shapes and you need to put in a couple little lines or openings here, for example, like a pathway into a building, what you can do is you can switch to the eraser, make sure the eraser is turned on point eraser. And then what you can do is you can just go in here and make a little edit like that, switch back, and put in your gaps or whatever it is if you need to do something like that. All right, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you like content like this, if you like using a stylus and touch and making your tablet more desktop app friendly, this is a great channel for you. So stay tuned, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.